Hi everybody, I want to welcome you to Extended Suites Phoenix. I'm just going to go ahead and film a quick update on how we're doing here. Obviously we've got the, if you can see, we've got the new black top that was sealed. Parking lot's been sealed, striped. We're still doing a little bit of work here. It's kind of ongoing, but we are making some major strides, and because of the strides that we took in the early part of the year and through the spring, we set ourselves up for this summer to be successful. And we are sitting at I think for this entire month of July, which is supposedly the slowest part of the year in this part of the country. You know, most parts of the country it's extremely busy, except for this part because it's so hot, right? I mean, when construction workers can't come out and work past noon because it's already 110, 115, 120 degrees. So you got a lot of construction that slows down in this part of the country at this time of the year. However, with that though, with the way that we've adjusted our rates and planned for this, we actually are sitting at about an 80% occupancy for the entire month of July, which is pretty unheard of and pretty awesome at the same time. So usually we'll hit 90, 95% on the weekends. The pool is obviously a big plus because we got that working. We got the laundry room redone. I'm gonna go in here real fast, and obviously you've already seen what we've done in the lobby, but what's nice is also as a additional stream of income, the vending extended market has been really doing well. Let's see who we can surprise. Oh, there's Mariah. Hello Mariah, you're on TV. I'm just kidding. Look at you. Oh, hey, what's up, bud? How are you? All right, so you just hanging out, just chilling? Chilling. Now, did you know that we have all this vending and stuff like there? It's called Extended Suites Market. Did you know about that?
Dude, I'm always up here spending money.
And that's what we love. There's our new maintenance guy. All right, good, right? What's up, bud? Jason.
Jason, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you again. All right, so we're here at the hotel. 80%, and I'm making fun of it, right? 80% in July, which is good job. All right, so all of our stuff is over here. All of our beautiful vending. We've got our menu over here on all the different stuff. Take a look at the menu. Okay, there's the menu. There's the prices, and we're the best in town. All right, so anyway, just gonna shoot you guys a real quick update on what we're doing. Not too shabby for the month of July since it's so hot and nobody's here, right? It's crazy. So, all right, I'm back out here. They also built the Starbucks is finally complete, and whew, it is hot. It is just toasty, but that's okay. We're still doing really, really good. Actually, you know, I was expecting and forecasting maybe 60 to 70% occupancy, and for us to do as well as what we're doing, it's simply the model. It's simply everything that we've been doing with our business model. It's the marketing that we do. It's what the amenities that we put in the room. It's the brand Extended Suites. It all comes together. So it's not just one thing. It's a number of things. But anyway, as you can see, we've got, well, I guess I could walk around here. The new Starbucks literally is right behind that Fairfield Marriott. So you got Fairfield, Waffle House, and the brand new Starbucks. So we're at a great area, great location, good visibility, good traffic, and we did it right when it came to the renovation. So, and we've got the proper amenities that people want. And we also have an amazing staff. Let me just tell you that staffing properly at your property will make a tremendous difference, okay? So you can't just, it's not just the property itself. You've got something to work with, but you also need the people, and you also need the business model inside of the walls here. So there's a number of different components that go into these things, and having the right people who are trained, who know exactly what we do and how we do it, and following that system is extremely important. So, and with that, when you combine all of these things, you have a winning product that will make money for you and your investors. Okay, that's it from Extended Suites Phoenix. Just a quick update. We will talk to you guys at the next hotel. All right, guys, have a fantastic day and make it a good one.